Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. Every time we have people over and we offer them tea or coffee, I have one person who will ask me for green decaf tea. And I can never find the tea bag. Well, thanks to this adorable box from Megsooul, everything can be organized inside, so I never have to search again. This box is made of a durable wood. I love how it has the distressed look. The coffee bar logo on the front is super cute as well. It has adorable little burlap twine handles on the sides, so you could easily carry this around. It holds all of my pods and tea and hot chocolate, as well as some stirrers that I found at the back of a cabinet. But everything is now in one place, and I absolutely love having this box to keep everything organized. It's also easy to clean. All you have to do is wipe it down with a cloth, and you don't have to worry about it at all. Very, very cute little box from Megsooul. I'm so happy with it, but that's just my point of view.